Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Imagine this. You go to the supermarket for a quick shopping trip, but many small problems keep happening. Today's story is about small troubles at the supermarket. Don't worry, the conversation is simple, and I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you improve your English listening skills. So here is today's question. What problem does Sam find with the eggs? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in English in the comments. All right, are you ready? Let's start the story.
Oh, it's more crowded than I expected.
Yeah, I thought it would be quiet today.
Maybe because it's Saturday.
That's true. I forgot it was Saturday.
Everyone comes shopping on the weekend.
Where are the shopping baskets?
I don't see any near the entrance.
Let's just use a cart instead.
Good idea. Oh, wait. This wheel is a little strange.
Does it move okay?
It makes a funny noise, but it works.
That always happens to me too.
Should we get a different one?
Nah, it's fine. Let's not waste time.
You're right. It's not a big deal.
Okay, do you have the shopping list?
Yes, I have it on my phone.
What do we need to buy today?
We need vegetables, milk, eggs, and some other things.
How many things are on the list?
About 10 items, I think.
That's not too many. We should be quick.
I hope so. This store is really busy today.
Perfect. Let's start with vegetables.
Sounds good to me. We need onions, carrots, and potatoes.
The onions are right here.
Great. How many should we get?
3 should be enough.
Okay. Now, where are the carrots?
I think they're in the next section.
Oh, I see them. They're over there.
Wait, look at this sign. It says sale.
Really? That's lucky.
Let me check. Oh, never mind.
What happened?
The sale is only for the big bags.
Ah, I see. The small ones are not on sale.
Yeah, that's a little confusing.
It happens a lot at this store.
True. We should read the signs more carefully.
Do we need the big bag?
No, we can't eat that many carrots.
You're right. Let's just get the small one.
Good choice. Now, what else do we need?
We need milk and eggs.
The dairy section is at the back of the store.
Why do stores always put milk at the back?
I think they want us to walk through the whole store.
That's clever.
It works. I always buy extra things.
Me too. That's why I made a list today.
Let's stick to the list.
Agreed. No extra snacks today.
That will be hard for me.
Let's go there next. I'll look for the eggs.
Okay, I'll find the milk.
Actually, can you also look for butter?
Sure, no problem.
Thanks. I'll meet you by the eggs.
Sounds good. See you in a few minutes.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for, the thing for making bread.
Do you mean flour?
No, not flour. The thing that makes bread, Grow bigger?
Oh, you mean yeast.
Yes, yeast. Sorry, I forgot the word.
No problem at all. It's in the baking section.
Where is the baking section?
Go straight and turn left. You'll see it on the right side.
Straight and then left. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else?
Actually, yes. I have a question about this cheese.
Sure. What would you like to know?
Is this price with tax or without tax?
All our prices include tax.
Oh, that's easy to understand. Thank you.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, one more thing. Where is the bread section?
The bread is in the next aisle, on the left side.
Next aisle, left side. I understand.
We have fresh bread today. It just arrived this morning.
That sounds great. I'll check it out.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you for your help.
Hey, I'm back. Did you find the eggs?
Yes, I got them. Did you find the milk and butter?
Yep, here they are.
Great. Let me put the eggs in the cart.
Wait, let me see them first.
Sure. What's wrong?
I always check eggs before buying.
That's a good idea.
Oh no, look at this one.
Is it cracked?
Yes, there's a small crack here.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
It's okay. Let's get a different box.
Good idea. I'll go get another one.
While you do that, let me check the other things.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Take your time.
I'm back. I checked this one carefully.
Perfect. But I found another problem.
What is it?
This bag of frozen vegetables feels a little soft.
Really? Let me feel it.
It might have been out of the freezer for a while.
You're right. It's not very hard.
Should we get a different one?
Yes, let's choose one from the back.
The ones in the back are usually colder.
This one feels much better.
Great. I think we have everything now.
Let me check the list one more time.
Sure, take your time.
Onions, carrots, potatoes, eggs, milk, butter.
What about the cheese?
Oh yes, I got the cheese earlier.
And the yeast for making bread?
Yes, I found it. The staff helped me.
Perfect. Anything else?
The frozen vegetables are the last thing.
We just got those.
Yes, we have everything. Let's go to the register.
Oh no, look at that line.
Wow, it's really long.
I didn't expect this many people.
Me neither. Should we wait?
We don't have a choice.
I count at least 10 people in front of us.
This might take a while.
What about the self-checkout?
Good idea. Let's try that.
The line is shorter over there.
Much better. Let's go.
Okay, I'll scan the items.
I'll put them in the bags.
Let's be careful this time.
Yes, scan each item slowly.
Wait, something is wrong.
What happened?
The machine is showing an error.
What does it say?
It says, please wait for help.
Oh, that's not good.
What did I do wrong?
Maybe the item didn't scan right.
Here comes a worker.
Hi, do you need help? Yes, the machine stopped working. Let me fix that for you. Thank you so much. There you go. It should work now. Thank you.
Okay, let me try again.
This time it worked.
Great. Let me finish scanning.
Wait, check if the discount is there.
Which one?
The cheese. It was on sale, right?
Oh, let me check the screen.
Do you see it?
Yes, the discount is showing. We're good.
What a relief.
Okay, the total is... Oh, that's more than I thought.
We can look at the receipt later.
You're right. Let me pay now.
Finally, we're done.
That took longer than I expected.
At least we got everything.
True. Let me see the receipt.
Here you go.
The total is higher than I thought.
How much is it?
About $45.
Really? Let me see.
Here, look at this.
That's not too bad for all this food.
I guess you're right.
The cheese was the most expensive.
Yeah, even with the discount.
Good cheese is always expensive.
Oh no, I just remembered something.
What?
I forgot to bring my shopping bag.
Me too. I left mine at home.
What should we do?
We can buy a bag here.
How much is it?
Just a few cents. It's not expensive.
Okay, let's buy one.
We should remember next time.
I always say that.
Same here. I have so many bags at home.
But I always forget to bring them.
I put them by the door, but I still forget.
That happens to everyone, I think.
Maybe we should keep one in the car.
That's a smart idea.
Or maybe we should keep 3 in the car.
Just in case?
Exactly. Better to have too many than too few. I'll try to remember.
It feels good to be outside.
Yeah, the store was so crowded.
The fresh air feels nice.
I agree. It was too warm inside.
I'm glad we finished.
Me too. That was a lot of work.
It's just grocery shopping.
But so many small things happened.
The broken egg, the soft frozen food.
And the machine error at checkout.
I was a little nervous.
You handled it well.
Thanks. The staff was helpful.
Wait, did we get bread?
Let me check the bag. Oh no.
We forgot?
Yes, we forgot the bread.
Of course we did.
Should we go back?
No, let's not. We can get it tomorrow.
You're right. I don't want to go back in there.
Do we have bread at home?
Maybe. I'm not sure.
We'll check when we get home.
I hope we do. I really want toast for breakfast.
If not, we can eat something else.
Like cereal?
Sure, cereal is always good. If not, we can make toast with something else.
That doesn't make sense.
I know, I'm tired.
Next time, let's make a better list.
And check it more carefully.
And bring our shopping bags.
And check the eggs before we leave the store.
We learned a lot today.
Every shopping trip is a learning experience.
That's one way to think about it.
I'm just glad it's over.
Same here. Let's go home.
Yes, I can't wait to rest.
Me too. Thanks for coming with me today.
Of course, shopping is more fun with a friend.
Even when things go wrong.
Especially when things go wrong.
You always make me feel better.
That's what friends are for.
Should we go shopping together again next week?
Sure, but let's go earlier next time.
Good idea, before it gets crowded.
And we should double-check our list before we leave the store.
Agreed. No more forgetting bread.
See you next time.
See you. Have a great week.
You too. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some useful everyday English. Now let me ask today's question one more time. What problem does Sam find with the eggs? The answer was in the conversation. Did you catch it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments. Writing in English, even short sentences, is a great way to improve your English skills. On this channel, I share short stories in slow and easy English to help you practice listening and speaking step by step. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And before we finish, just one more small thing. I also have a membership. If you feel this video was helpful for your English learning, I would be very happy if you joined the membership as well. You can join by clicking the membership button next to the subscribe button below this video. Thank you so much for your support. All right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!